Welcome friends to AutoCAD tutorial part 7. Here we'll learn the next command, which is zoom. Zoom is located at the status bar in your AutoCAD window. When you click on zoom, this icon will display several options on the command window. They are all center, dynamic, extends and some other. Here for window we'll select W and then press enter. It will ask you to select the first corner of your object and then drag it throughout the object's end and then click. The window will get zoomed like this. We can set the command. We can also give the command Z for zoom, then W for the window, and then select the window by dragging over it. And it will get zoomed like this. The next command that we will learn is pan. Pan is also located beside zoom on the status bar. This command lets you click in the window and will take the object anywhere you want, like this. We can do the same thing using scrolling on the window. And while you are using pan command, click with right mouse button to see this menu. This can be done, as I've said, through the window scroll bars too. I have clicked on zoom original. The same way I can click on zoom window 2, and by clicking on exit will exit from this view. The next command that we will learn in this tutorial is explode. That will explode the selected object. If you have created a rectangle, or a polyline object and you want to explode it, then you can use X command, and then you can use X command, press enter. It will ask you to select the object and press enter. And as you can see, all the lines are separated from each other. We have seen zoom tool, pan tool and explode in this tutorial. We'll learn some more commands in our next tutorial. Thank you. Welcome to the AutoCAD tutorial part 8. Here we will learn chamfer command. Chamfer is again a modification tool. It will have several options to join two lines. The command for chamfer is CHA. Let us type and see how does it work. There are several options available with chamfer. It's undo, polyline, distance, angle, trim, method and multiple. Here we will use distance, so we'll press D here. It will ask for the first chamfer distance. Let us give 2 to it. It will ask for the second chamfer distance. Let's again give 2. Press enter. Now select the first line and then select the second line. Press enter. The command is CHA, then D for distance, then 2 as the measure for the first chamfer distance, second again will give 2, then select the first and then the second object. We can see the angle between these two lines. The rectangle command also displays chamfer as its option. When we will press REC in the command area, it will display chamfer there. After selecting C, we'll have to give the chamfer distance. Let us skip it 3 and then again 3. It will ask you to select the first corner in your drawing area and then the second, and the rectangle has been drawn. The next command is fillet. The fillet command connects two lines, arcs or circles with a smooth arc of specified radius. It adjusts the length of the original lines or arcs so they end exactly on the fillet arc. If the polyline option is used, you can apply fillet to an entire polyline or remove the fillets from a polyline. The command for fillet is F. Here I'll give radius as the available option. It has 3 radius. Now select the first object. Here it is. And then select the second object. And the fillet has created the circular angle between these two lines. The next command that we will learn is trim. The trim command allows you to trim objects in a drawing area so they end precisely at a cutting edge defined by one or more objects in the drawing. If you want to trim these two lines, the command is TR. Press enter. Select objects above which you want to trim the other objects. Then right click somewhere in the window and select, and the line has been trimmed like this. We have learned chamfer, fillet and trim commands in this tutorial. We'll learn some more commands in our next tutorial. Thank you. Welcome friends to AutoCAD tutorial part 9. Here we will learn how to rotate an object. The tool to rotate is here. it will rotate the object around a base point. First, select the tool of rotate from the modify toolbar or type RO command on the command prompt. Then select the object and then, as per the instruction, click right side or press enter. Now specify the base point and then if you want to rotate it as per the angle, give it the angle as 45 and then press enter. That object will get rotated at its 45 angle. Now the second command that we will learn is break. The break is located here on the modify toolbar. It will break the selected object between 2 points. It will create a gap between 2 specified points of an object. Here we have drawn a line to break. Here for break the command is BR. Now select the object at first point and specify the second point. And we can see that the line has been break between those 2 points. The single object is divided into 2 objects now. The next command that we will learn here is copy. Copy is located on this modify toolbar. It will copy the object with a specified distance and in specified direction. The copy command is used to duplicate one or more existing drawing entities at another location without erasing the original. The command for it is CO and then press enter. Now select the object. As we have the rectangle over here, we'll select that and then press enter or right click. Now it will ask you for the displacement. We'll copy it from any of this point. This many copies we have created. Use any of the entity selection method you want to, because copy can select and can copy any specified vector from the drawing area. We have learnt 3 commands here: rotate, break and copy. We'll learn some more commands in our next tutorial. Thank you.